Here lang si Alexa. Here lang man si Alexa. You cannot go outside. Tomorrow mag-play tayo ng Hanabi at night, okay? With Kuya, ha? Fireworks. No, we cannot go out today. Here lang tayo. Wala man si Papa, mag-work man si Papa today. That's why Alexa will stay at home. Mama and Kuya. You just play with Kuya. Look at Kuya. Kuya's so noisy. You just play with Kuya, okay? Kuya is too noisy. You just play with Kuya, good? No?